UMLA jong umroi constituency uba George B. Lengdo uba de UMLA jong keseng TMC mentah kesengi ke khat khandai terik ubanai naitung arjar arpuar ulalej ban yazlok bat kino high school SSA kibala syong ban yaki bandawa ya ketulop jongki kebala sa mentala Henry benai kebak sorkar kampat la bansiu nakaliang jong neu UMLA ke umroi constituency ulalej ban yazlok bat ai mensim ya kini kino high school SSA bat hapadeng gede kejing yazlok kino high school kala jau mat habaki baki don kendong kersian napadeng jong kinong mi kemat dak jing sulung mensi muneu MLA ru ula kedup ye kini gino hikai kibalawan syong yeki hakamat ka additional secretariat hanong ba shillong uba George bileng do habakran hakilat pathai kubor ulong ba kai kejing jong sarkar MDA bomla aban siu ye kepisa jong gino hikai haba kepisa kawan nak sarkar India om bagasiu nak pelala jong yitu uba George bileng do ulong ru babalik ke sarkar MDA ke bu ye kene kedau ke bom syong nia AA ru M dak basyuk nyat nak wei suki syaka wei pat suki ye kene kejing jong kino high school kene ke pau ba kino yelam jong sarkar kim dan ni kejing song tho jumut kim dan ni kejingkit kli ban weng ye kene kejing jong kino high school SSA uba George bileng do ulong ru bakum gidkhot jong kaliang persya kilesim ye kene benta ban keren nak por syakapor bat kile jong ru ba ke sarkar ke di ban weng no ye kene kejing jong kino high school SSA bat lengba jong kini AKA ulong bagan sarkar kamdan ni keju kejing sotho jemut namar menteri rangba nang tau menteri beripe ya ketenat pule putih bat kiwe de ki officer ki badai pet ya kene ketenat ki keren la kejong kasur kene kapau bakim siam ladan kejingkit kli ban weng ya kene kejing jong kino high school Shushu uneu MLA na umroi ula kentha ya ke sarkar MDA dak bapen kan mauru bagi no high school SSA kila de bania kendu ya ki bor sarkar haka khat pra terik banai naitung arajar arpar Henry Kim Syam lahon ya ke baki yo ya ke jubab na ki officer de na kene kadau ke balapan long iki bakindang beteng ya kene kejinya ki dak basyong ke lain mongor ke baklem bu por hakmat jong ke additional secretariat haka bagi rai ru ban syong hadu bakin dio ya kejeng dawa jong ki ulong ru balada ke sarkar kamla ban sensyar lane ban weng ye kene kejing jong pai ba khamtam ye kejing jong kini kino high school kala bah shibun ban bu dak presidential rule ban bekno ki kam ki jambaro penkut uba George B.
That is what is happening for the past 4.5 years. They have not been handling the financial situation in the state very well. They have been taking loans where not required, and rather than payment of the dues that are meant for the actual expenditure of the government, they are paying the interest for loans that are not required for the government to take. So therefore, this entire fiscal mismanagement is because of the government. So they have to take collective responsibility. They cannot just say that because there is no money, no, we cannot pay. It is a collective responsibility of each and every member who is part of the government to ensure that the responsibilities of government are fulfilled and to get the money for the citizens. Kemarin ini berkumpul para MLA dengan orang kumul, mereka itu bekerja clear dengan sarkar pada benda kata tu habat pendet. Ada itu benda apa nak lepas ini kita yang terlalu isong sini school mana pun pay. Jadi saya kan wan pada thok kapul jenis kan warni kan kau yang dalam ini. Ini kan se ram se syane un se baiban ledene un pan habban simba ram ban koi bishop school jongro. Saya kan pay thok kapul kan ini. With the SSC teachers who have been agitating for the past few days to listen to their grievances and at the same time also to learn more of the ground realities and the hardships that the teachers have been facing. And after listening to the functionaries of their association, what is very hurtful to learn is that the government has been trying to give them very flimsy reasons and pushing them from one table to the other in order to get their rights. This is learnt from them that it's also seen that amongst the leaders in the government also they are not talking amongst themselves to ensure that this problem is resolved. Iwan hune ban ikundu ikinkai urul banai ke pisah kam semua. Saya jadi bekerja pisah. Kaya gamang yo so mutabak kaya gamang iru kalongba. Wajah ke pisah ke buan central government bu kinyap soy. Pansiu ki ram ki bakisim na ka banta ki we patikam. Banten ia kita ki project ki behe ki ba Kita wa syukip abang dia wa bam hati wa kit pula kan basutu hangno bakin pelut hangno bakin pelut ide ke bangi ke de huta bila tak bawa wat ya gani ke phone ke bawana santaru imat bayi kinya na sikwe per kerja ke kiam sedang kam maki daga ba wat ikini ke sanction post ke bala donru ni ba kims thum ni kini ke bro ya ki ladan lepa ki post ndai bang yang ki post berteman ya ki post ki bala donru wat ya to ke pisah berpelmang nam to ki post su kim aisho ya na ko bentar ketulok ke sei ja to pisah pat sa hajar tam ki post ki baja sei gitu ke pisah ke lepas ni kata ke jingkuli entar ada ke pisah nam tur ya ki berit pun kam ya ki nongker himai tulok ke sei ke pisah baja pat ni je kendo bujuni ya ki bat ya kam ki nongkit kam joga senjuki ni ko ban satu susu ya ki jwe enjuki bat ke ke bang lap long ba ke sarkar ke la syurat iki la go gami bat ha ko por mission bu baparam ki hapon yang sarkar bu ge dan bu we ki mikra gani la namar ra susu ke jimpun jwe ke khambon susu na ko bentak ni kai na para sarkar imat wedan hanko kini sutu ji kata hai kai ke mission
the government is not listening to the SSA teachers. So from the opposition side, will you also take up the pressure with the government?
No, we have already raised this issue time and again, as you recall. As a responsible opposition, we have kept on reminding the government of its responsibilities towards teachers, both ad hoc as well as the SSA. Now, what we've learned is that the government itself is not in the same line. All of the ministers and the officers and the chief minister, they've been talking in different tones. That is what we're learning now from the functionaries. So we are of the view that now it seems that they are not serious to solve this problem. It's all an outcome of the policy and decision making of the government. Whatever we saw the rankings, even today we saw in the papers that the ranking has come down further. It is all because of these lapse in the policies, non-payment of salaries, non-appointment of teachers. At the same time, what we are learning, even the SSC teachers also are falling vacant. In the posts are falling vacant. Even those also are not being filled. So if teachers are not there in schools, how do you expect the education to be there? Sarkar India imat kini kira sulia kai ya ke em ke dulu kai wala da bisa ke lapor imat ni happen ni saka Sarkar India berkini ke egi sisa nama banda ni dan ni imat ni susah top ni kai satu wala assembly ro ki masjid ke house ki masjid ke paiba apa house ke onda kumai assembly ke onda kumai ke kamar ke onda kumai imat kini ni habe wat tembrafi kan besok ke bangun house flap ke egi beriong menurut dia faedah amul bomio kata tu bang pada perusahaan kalau begini ni kai kita punya tulok di bang post ke bawah ada lupa di pendap mar gembelong mentawat apa office be penliwa dan memberi secretary sepulik ke beri maaf nam tak kali ban pendai kali ke motor gaji je ke bawah kan puluh membang sudah pendai dia saya kan